BAS Part Sales is off to a rapid start in 2026. This week, we have 5 very well-known platforms in the shop being carefully disassembled by Dave and the mechanics. Now, these airplanes come to us for a wide range of reasons, and they've been used in missions all over the world for all sorts of purposes. Today, they're here to donate the parts and give back to the fleet and help you get back in the air. Let's check out what we're working on this week at BAS Part Sales. First up this week, we have the Cessna T182T Skylane. Now, this is a very capable, high-altitude, turbocharged machine. This aircraft comes to us with a laundry list of great parts and components. We're going to recover all sorts of great things from this aircraft, such as the Lycoming TIO 540 AK-1A engine that does have a prop strike. It's got a Macaulay prop hub. It's got 2 King KX-155A Navcom transceivers. It's got a King KAP-140 autopilot, a Stratus ESG ADS-B out transponder, a King KL994 GPS, and a King KMD 540 MFD. It's got a JPI EDM 700 engine monitoring system. It's got the new style control yokes, a PAI 700 vertical card compass. Those are always popular. This airplane comes with Cleveland wheels and brakes. It's got LED position lights and lots more. Now, normally this T182T would go into lots of parts and go right back out the door to support the Skylane fleet all over the country. But this aircraft has been sold as a project. We sold the whole aircraft just like it sits to a single customer who will take it and do whatever he wants to with it. Now, this Mooney comes to us after it veered off the runway during landing. That caused a prop strike that totaled the aircraft. And now Dave and the mechanics are already very carefully disassembling this airplane. We're going to get lots of good things from it, such as the Lycoming IO360 A3B engine that does have a prop strike. It's got a Macaulay 2-blade prop. It's got 2 Aspen EFD 1000 Max MFDs. It's got a Garmin GTX 345 ADS-B. It's got a Garmin GNS 530W, a King KX155 radio, an STEC 55X autopilot. It's got an Oracle engine monitoring system, LED wingtip and tail position lights, low Presti hubcaps, Cleveland wheels and brakes. It's got a Skytech starter. That won't make it to the store. It's got the new style control yokes, rosin sun visors, a Flightstream 210, and this airplane is so popular that the interior has already been sold. Now, we're going to get every other salvageable part and component from this aircraft, and they're going right back into Mooney M20s all over the country. Next in line this week is a true cross-country traveler, the Piper PA-24-250 Comanche. Now, this is a very nice airplane. It comes to us after a gear-up landing, sends it to our disassembly shop, but I do want to note that not every gear-up landing is pilot error. Sometimes things just go wrong. That's what happened to this Comanche, and it's going to yield a long list of fantastic Comanche parts that will live on in fleets all over the place. We're getting lots of things, such as the Lycoming 0540 A1 A5 engine that did have a prop strike, the Hartzell prop hub, the Trio Pro Pilot autopilot, the Garmin GNC 355 GPS, a True Blue dual USB power port. Those don't ever make it to the store. They sell fast. An Aspen EFD 1000 Pro Max MFD, a Narco MK12D Navcom, a JPI FlowScan 540 Fuel Flow, and a UAVionics Sky Beacon ADS-B out. Those also sell really fast. The landing gear actuators and motors, the ram horn control yokes, the Surefly electric magneto, the Stabilator horn, which is AD compliant, the InterAv alternator kit, and so much more. If you need something from this Comanche, I do recommend you call us quickly because a lot of these parts and components won't make it to the store. This is a very, very nice aircraft and it will sell quickly. This week, we're also working through this Piper PA-28-181 Archer. Now, this has been a flight trainer, this has been a personal use aircraft, and Piper built lots of them. So pilots know them and they're everywhere. It makes it one of the most requested aircraft for parts that we get all the time. We have lots of Archer parts on the shelf, but they also sell really fast. Now, this aircraft comes to us at its end of life. We're gonna get lots of good components from it, such as the Garmin GNS 430W, a King KX 165 Navcom, a King GT 74 ADS-B, a King KMA 24 marker beacon, the ram horn control yokes, the dual rudder brake pedals, the Garmin Era 500, the nose gear and the main landing gear are in great shape, and it's got AD compliant torque links. This aircraft also has Cleveland wheels and brakes and lots of interior components. Archer is a phone call that we get all the time. So if you need something from this aircraft, call quickly because the good stuff does go fast. Last but not least, this week we have the Cessna 172R Skyhawk. Now, everything firewall forward has been sold, but this aircraft is going to yield all sorts of parts and components that we sell non-stop to 172 owners. This aircraft has trained more pilots than any other airframe in the history of general aviation. So these parts and components go all over the world about as fast as we can take them off the airplane. We're going to recover lots of good things. We're getting the nose gear and the main gear. It's got Cleveland main wheels. The engine mount was in great shape. It's got the new style control yokes. It's got refueling steps and handles that never sit on the shelf very long. All of the engine gauges, the Dukes fuel pump, the flap motor, and lots of other parts and systems. So as Dave and the mechanic team very carefully disassembled this 172, if you see something you need, we probably have it and we can get it out the door quickly. That's what BAS Part Sales is all about. As usual, we are carefully removing every part and component that can be recovered. They'll go through the entire process, cleaning, documentation, research, photographing, before they're listed on our website with traceability, pricing, lots of pictures, and very easy and secure online ordering. You never need an RFQ. You can go right to BASPartSales.com and order anything you want and have it shipped anywhere in the world. If we can help you get back in the air, we'd love to hear from you soon.